how to change background color or picture for video call effects on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app. After click on phone app and click on contact and click on video call. After click on video call and after click on video call and you will see background is here. If you want to change background color, sorry, if you want to change background color and picture, so you will see change background color pictures from here. So after change background color picture for video call effects, and you will see you will change picture from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change background color picture for video call effects on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.